In the culinary world, the term mother sauces refers to 5 foundational sauces that serve as the basis for countless derivative sauces, enriching numerous dishes. Mastering these mother sauces is essential for any aspiring chef, as they embody fundamental techniques and flavors that transcend cuisines. The first mother sauce is bechamel, a creamy white sauce made from milk and a roux of butter and flour. Its smooth, velvety texture makes it a versatile base for sauces like mornay, which enhances it with cheese, creating the perfect sauce for macaroni and cheese or lasagna. Visualize the comforting aroma that fills your kitchen as bechamel thickens to perfection, ready to elevate simple pasta dishes into something extraordinary. Next is veloute, another cornerstone sauce, crafted with roux and light stocks, such as chicken or fish. The delicate flavor of veloute serves as a sublime base for sauces like allemande and supreme. Picture a light, silky sauce enveloping a piece of poached chicken, adding elegance and enhancing the dish's flavors, making every bite an experience. Tomato sauce, the third mother sauce, brings a burst of vibrant color and rich flavor to the table. Created with simmered tomatoes, aromatic vegetables, and herbs, this sauce is integral to many dishes, including pasta and stews. Imagine the warmth of a bubbling pot, releasing the delightful scent of garlic and basil, creating a comforting symphony of flavors that transport you to an Italian kitchen. Lastly, there's hollandaise, an emulsion of egg yolks, butter, and lemon juice, known for its rich and tangy profile. This luxurious sauce is the star of classic dishes like Eggs Benedict. Envision the glossy sheen of hollandaise cascading over perfectly poached eggs, creating a harmonious combination of flavors on a plate. Each mother sauce showcases various culinary techniques and ingredients, inviting endless creativity in the kitchen. By understanding and mastering these core sauces, chefs can explore countless variations that reflect their unique culinary vision. Dive into the world of mother sauces and set the stage for delicious meals that invite creativity and inspire a love for cooking.